Good old VI30. I wanted to make like a quiet POV, you know, like me not talking and just drive, but I can't stop myself from yapping. I'm on my way to get something to eat before I go to work. I'm still on this booty schedule, 1 to 6, 1 to 10. Hate it. It's a mom and pop shop. If y'all know how mom and pop shops are, man, I want to go work for a corporate or something, you know, something more fixed, something they can't be like, oh, you have to come today, oh, come do this. I mean, you gotta give and take with stuff. Because this is what my dad told me. Because I used to work for the county, and Labor Day just passed, and you know, most bigger corporates, or especially county jobs, they get those days off. You know, they get a lot of holidays off. So, but I wasn't making as much money at the county compared to where I'm at now. You know, so I guess you got to give or take. You know, would you rather make less money just to have 1 day off, or you know, make more money? So, I mean, you know, you got to take it with a grain of salt. And I did. I'd rather make more money. So it is what it is. It's just 1 day, anyways, right? Just 1 day. I don't know what I'm gonna move for to eat. The car build is well, maybe I consider my car, I feel like my car is like considered a build, but well, basically me, let's just say it, bro. The car build is kind of like on hold because I've been busy with the house, fixing it up, this and that. So sorry guys, I gotta take care of that. You know, it's like, you ever put stuff into perspective? Like, you spend a certain amount of money on stuff, and then like, damn, I spent that much money on that. I could have really put that money into that. I do that all the time, which I shouldn't. It's not good, or I think it's not good. But let me get out a little bit more pools. All this traffic, can't do a pool. You know what, man? After I eat, I'm gonna still record. I want to do some pools, but we're gonna do it on the highway. So y'all keep watching, man. I'm gonna get on the highway because there's not enough open space. Because I gotta go to work soon, so I'm gonna put the camera back up on the highway. I think a tree just flies off. Dangerous, scary. Final destination. But yeah, man, I'll see y'all after. I'll see y'all when I'm on the highway. Estamos en el highway. I got so tired, man. Oh my goodness, I'm so sleepy now, dude. I just went to go eat. I got Panera. I went to go eat with my girl. I got Panera, and I'm like so tired now. Oh, wrong lane. Put me into the next one. Grand Cherokees on my butt. Do y'all like the new Kias? The K5s? They got a real futuristic look to them now, the new ones. Damn, bro, you ever be driving and you just like, you forget you driving? Bro, when I used to work for the county, man, that used to always happen to me, especially in the morning time. I used to wake up like at 5. And I'd have to leave the house around like 6, so I can get there at 7. It's like an hour away. But sometimes I'd be like, I don't even know how I got there. But it's just like instinct, you know, it's your natural instinct when you like do something so you know, especially every day, like driving. Obviously it's not safe, it's dangerous. But you know, it just amazes me how your body just takes over when you can't put in that extra oomph. You know what I mean? Seen those apartments. Bro, they're making so many apartments now. They're not even making houses no more. Those who watch my videos, if they know where I'm at. Ew, what is that? Ambulance. Ambulance. I don't even know how to say ambulance in Spanish. I'm not even trying to speak Spanish. But I'm real excited to get my car tuned. Like with the new Ecutech sauce they got coming out. I'm really interested in the DSG shifting. That thing looks and sounds fire. I don't know if y'all heard it. Or if y'all know Ecutech, they got a new tune, transmission tune. I think like RE7R, something like that. Something along the lines like that. Gotta watch it for those school zones, man. Going too over, they'll get you. Damn, man. Good thing I'm gonna work a little early, bro. I'm gonna take a nap when I get there. It's not even a nap for real. Probably like